How to fix Roblox error. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. Here on apps you have to search only for Roblox. Then when you found Roblox, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Here go to the last button, clear data, then click OK and click on clear cache and click go back and click on force stop and click OK again. And then you have to go here to notifications. You have to turn off it like this and turn on it like this again, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribing in our channel. See you in another videos.